In this video, I'm going to show you how to change currency in Exness mobile app. Now, the first thing I have to tell you is that you cannot actually change the overall currency of your account. However, you can change currencies inside your trading accounts. Now, let me show you how. As you can see here, I'm currently on my demo standard account. And if I tap on that account over there, the arrow, as you can see, I have the real accounts over here, and then I have demo accounts. If I switch to demo, you can see I have one demo standard, which is in USD, and I have one which is in euros. Now, whenever your trading account has been created, you cannot physically change of course, the currency of that account. So right now, this one is in USD, and then this one is in euros, as you can see. However, you can just open up a new account, either standard or demo, or of course, real one or demo, and then you can change the currency that way. So for example, let me show you. If I go here and if I switch over to demo, I now have one account in euros and in USD, but let's say I want another currency. I could go and tap on the plus button up top, and then from here, select whichever one I want. I'm just going to go with standard, press continue. And in here, I can switch to real or demo up top, and it's going to allow me to basically change the currency. So as you can see, the second button says currency, and you can tap on that. And from here, you can change it to whichever currency you want. So for example, if I was looking for, let's say, Great British Pound, there we go. It says British Pound. I can just tap on that. There we go. Currency is now GBP. And I can just press continue over here. And whenever I basically confirm this with a trading password, it's basically going to give me a new account over here, and it's going to be in GBP, and that's basically the only way you can change currency, by creating a new trading account. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.